In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to record yourself on PowerPoint step by step. Whether you're creating an online course, a business presentation, a school project, or YouTube content, PowerPoint has a built-in recording feature that makes it incredibly easy to capture your slides, your voice, and even your camera at the same time. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to start recording, turn on your camera, move through slides smoothly, use the laser pointer and ink tools, and stop your recording properly. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, go ahead and open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer and open the presentation that you want to record. Make sure all your slides are finalized before you begin, because the recording will follow the structure of your slides exactly as they appear. Once your presentation is open, look at the top menu ribbon and click on the Recording tab. If you don't immediately see the recording tools, click on the Recording tab again to make sure it's fully activated. This tab contains all the controls you need to capture your presentation. Now click on Record Slideshow. As soon as you do that, the Presenter View recording window will open. This is where everything happens. You'll see your current slide in the center, your upcoming slide preview, recording controls, and tools for annotations. Before you begin speaking, make sure your microphone is connected and working. If you want to record yourself on camera as well, look for the camera icon in the recording window and click on the camera button to turn it on. Once enabled, your webcam feed will appear on the screen, allowing you to record both your slides and your face at the same time. This is perfect for creating more engaging and personal presentations. When you're ready to start, click inside the Record Slideshow window and begin speaking. PowerPoint will start capturing your audio, your slide timings, and your camera if it's enabled. As you present, you can press the right arrow key on your keyboard to move through your slides. Press it multiple times whenever you're ready to advance to the next slide. This allows you to present naturally at your own pace while everything is being recorded. If you want to emphasize certain points, you can use the built-in laser pointer or ink tools. Simply click and drag inside the recording window to activate these tools. You can circle important text, underline key ideas, or point to specific parts of a chart. If needed, drag again to continue highlighting different areas. These annotations are recorded along with your presentation, making your content more dynamic and easier to follow. Take your time as you move through each slide. Speak clearly, use the arrow key to control your flow, and use the annotation tools whenever you want to draw attention to something important. Once you've finished presenting your final slide, look for the Stop button in the recording controls and click Stop. PowerPoint will automatically save your slide timings, narration, camera footage, and annotations directly into the presentation. After stopping the recording, you can preview your slides to make sure everything looks and sounds the way you want. If something didn't come out right, you can always re-record individual slides instead of starting from scratch. And that's it. That's exactly how to record yourself on PowerPoint using the built-in recording tools. It's simple, professional, and perfect for presentations, lessons, and online content creation. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.